Fetch Rewards does not show payment history the same way on every account, because available account details can depend on the rewards activity and the app version you are using. By the end, you'll know where to look for your Fetch Rewards activity, how to review past reward information, and what to check if you cannot find the details you need. The first place to check is inside the Fetch Rewards app. Open the app and review the account sections related to your rewards, points, and activity. Your payment history is connected to how you redeem rewards. Reviewing your account activity helps you see what happened with previous rewards and whether a redemption was completed. If you recently redeemed a reward and want to confirm the status, check your account information inside the app first. Look for records connected to your reward activity or redemption details. If you cannot find your history, make sure you are signed into the correct Fetch Rewards account. Using a different email address or login method can open a different account with different activity. The second step is checking whether the app is updated. Older app versions can sometimes display information differently from newer versions. You can also close the Fetch Rewards app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can refresh account information that may not have loaded correctly. If your payment or reward information still does not appear, use Fetch Rewards support through the app. Provide details about the issue, including what you expected to see and what appears on your account. Avoid creating a new account while trying to fix missing history. A new account will not contain the previous activity from your original account. It also helps to keep records of your own redemptions. Save confirmation emails or screenshots when you complete a reward redemption so you have details available if you need support. The process is simple. Open Fetch Rewards, check your account activity, confirm you are using the correct login, and contact support if the information is still missing. Your payment history is useful because it helps you track completed reward activity and understand what has happened with your account over time. To summarize, check your Fetch Rewards account sections first. Confirm you are using the correct account and contact support when your history or redemption details are not showing. Your next step is to open the Fetch Rewards app and review your account activity now. If this guide helped you find your payment history, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.